Okay, so today we are going to finally do the rock climbing wall. I'm so excited. So excited. So first, time to take some measurements. First, I need to measure the width. I also check the location of each stud so I know exactly where to place the 2x4s. Can you believe this? All of this bag is full. It's full of freaking stuffed animals and dolls, and why she needs so much? Let's close it up. Let's just pretend it's not even here. It's so heavy. We are ready to go and get the stuff. Let's do this. I don't know why I'm so anxious to go get all this stuff. My car is big enough for it, this van, but I'm nervous. I'm nervous that there's gonna be some hiccups, but we got this. We got this! I measured each 2x4 to the desired length. The tools that I have is drill, Phillips head, and this to pre-drill it. We got the leveler. This I forget. Now that I have my tools ready, I'm going to drill the 2x4s into the studs. Each stud is spaced about 16 inches apart. So there's a dilemma. I didn't account for where the actual wood beam is. Is this called a beam?
Mm-hmm. A stud.
A stud. Okay, whatever. So I didn't account for that being in the way of the outlet. I didn't. Girl, hold it straight.
No, I can't do anything straight. Nothing straight.
Yeah, it's like a limp one. I had to remeasure the 2x4 to make sure it fit above the outlet. It was a perfect fit, so now I can continue drilling the remaining 2x4s. I added more screws into the 2x4s to make sure it's nice and secure. Alright, now that that's done, check out how it looks so far. Next, I'm going to add the 2x4s to the top. I already had a rock climbing wall outside, but my little one preferred to have it in her room. So I'm going to reuse these handles I already have for the new one I'm making for her. No need to spend extra money when I don't have to. It did take me some time, but luckily my wifey helped me take them off, which made the job faster and easier. I don't have a table saw yet, so I had to improvise a bit to make sure I cut the board straight. But no job is too tough for me. Dang, look how straight that is. Straighter than me. Now I'm going to sand the edges a bit to smooth out any rough spots. I used a 7/16 drill bit to make the holes for the grip handles. I'm just a girl who loves her power tools. Can you tell? Okay, now I need to mark where all the handles will go before I get all drill happy. Now for the fun! Next step is to sand my life away. Okay, I'm just kidding. I want to make sure the board is as smooth as a baby's bottom so my little Jenny doesn't get a splint. Now I need to add the back hardware to the board. This will give the screws something to latch onto. This was definitely my favorite part. Getting to release some frustration, it's great therapy. Alright, my Sunny and wifey came to help hold up the board while I screwed it into the wall. I decided to cut a hole where the outlet was so I wouldn't cover it. I also sanded the edges for a clean finish. Now I filled the screw holes with wood filler for a cleaner look. That's a wrap on our rock climbing wall project. I hope you enjoyed watching the transformation as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll be painting a stunning mountain mural to complete the look. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the Handy Dandy Bee so you don't miss the next exciting update. See you in the next video.